In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Steam account from Ubisoft Connect. If you're troubleshooting a launching issue, switching to a different platform, or simply want to separate your libraries, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish, and I'll point out what to expect once the link is removed. Start by opening the Ubisoft Connect desktop app and signing in with your Ubisoft account. Make sure you're using the correct account you plan to manage, since the unlink applies to the account you're currently logged into. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. Depending on your version of the app, it can appear in the top left or top right corner. Click that icon, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This is where Ubisoft Connect keeps most of its account-related controls. Inside Settings, scroll until you find a section labeled Other. In this area, you may see options named Account Linking or Link Accounts. The wording can vary slightly, but you're in the right place as soon as you see a link for account management. Click Account Management, and your default browser will open the Ubisoft account information page. If prompted to sign in again, use the same Ubisoft account you have opened in the app so everything stays consistent. On the Ubisoft account information page, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Link Accounts section. This is your hub for third-party connections. Locate the Steam tile in the list. When you see Steam, click Unlink. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm to finalize the unlink. The change takes effect immediately. Your Ubisoft Connect account will no longer be connected to Steam. Local game saves that live on your Ubisoft Connect installation remain intact, so you won't lose your progress stored on your PC. However, any Ubisoft titles launched through Steam will no longer be able to open Ubisoft content while the accounts are unlinked. If you plan to keep playing those titles through Steam, you'll need to relink later. Otherwise, you can launch Ubisoft titles directly from Ubisoft Connect where applicable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly separate your accounts with confidence.